Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kumar Ramanathoddy. I am studying in final year, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I did the internship at MRG Information Technology. My internship project is washing machine simulation. Topics we are learned in this project about C, introduction to C, conditionals, loops and operators, array and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes. In embedded systems, Introduction to Embedded Systems and Microcontroller, MPLAB IDE, X8 Compiler, PIXSimLab Simulator, Introduction to PIC16F-A77A, interfacing various peripherals of PIC16F-A77A. This is the microcontroller PIC16F-A77A. Introduction to Embedded System, any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task, that is called as embedded system. These are the examples of embedded system: microwave oven, washing machine, computer, CCTV, refrigerator, etc. Embedded systems are classified into four categories based on their performance and functional requirements. They are standalone embedded system, real-time embedded system, networked embedded system, mobile embedded system. In standalone embedded system, these are do not require a host like a computer. It works by itself. Example: digital cameras, microwave ovens, etc. In real-time embedded system, these embedded systems are taking action within a specified amount of time. Example: airbag system, pacemaker, missile, etc. In networked embedded system, these embedded systems are related to a network to access the resources. Example: router, home security system. In a mobile embedded system, these embedded systems are used in portable embedded devices like cell phones, mobiles, etc. Introduction to a microcontroller. Microcontroller is an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. In microcontroller, all components are in a single chip. They are timers, ports, RAM, ROM, peripheral, CPU are in a single chip. As compared to microprocessor, in microprocessor all components are in separate. Microcontroller are less flexible, as in microprocessor they are more flexible. Microcontroller are less design complexity. In microprocessor they are more design complexity. PIXSimLab architecture. This is the PIXSimLab architecture. The microcontroller PIC16F-A77A connected to these components: RS232, LEDs, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, CLCD, EDC, LM35 temp sensor, PLC, RTC or EEPROM, GPIO. PIC16F-A77A operating frequency is DC 20 MHz. It has 5 input-output ports. It has 15 interrupts. It has 3 timers. Its flash memory consists of 8 KB. Its data consists of 368 bytes. Earlier we saw that it has 5 input-output ports. They are port A, port B, port C, port D, port E. In port A, it is a 6-bit wide bidirectional port. The corresponding data direction register is TRISC-A. Setting the TRISC-A bit equal to 1 will make the port A pin input. Setting the TRISC-A bit equal to 0 will make the port A pin output. This configuration of TRISC bit is same as in all ports. In port B, it is a 8-bit wide bidirectional port. Data direction register is TRISC-B. In port C, it is a 8-bit wide bidirectional port. Data direction register is TRISC-C. In port D, it is 8-bit port. Data direction register is TRISC-D. In port E, it has 3 pins: RE0, RE1 and RE2. Data direction register is electricity. Introduction to CLCD. The full form of CLCD is Character Liquid Crystal Display. It has two communication modes. We use CLCD 16:4 in 8-bit mode. 16:4 represents the 16 characters as shown in the figure 1 to 16, and 4 represents the 4 lines in the CLCD. 8-bit mode represents the 8 data lines, that is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. The pin 1 is VSS, that is connected to the ground. Pin 2 is VDD, that is connected to the 5 volt. The pin 3 is V0. Pin 4 is RS, that is register select pin, that is connected to the RE2 pin. Setting the RS equal to 1, it acts as data register, and RS equal to 0, it acts as instruction register. Pin 5 is read or write. Setting the read or write equal to 1, it read the data, and read or write equal to 0, it write the data. Most commonly it connected to the ground, that is read or write equal to 0, it write the data. And pin 6 is enable. Pin 7 to pin 14 is data lines, that is connected to the port D. And pin 15 is anode, and pin 16 is cathode. Digital keypad. We used these 6 keys in washing machine simulation. It is connected to the port B, RB0, RB1, RB2, RB3, RB4, RB5. That also called as key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, key 5, key 6. Timer. We used timer 2 in this project. It is a 8-bit timer with a prescaler and post-scaler. The timer TMR2 register is readable and writable and is cleared on any device reset. Timer 2 increments from 00H until it matches PR2 and then reset to 00H on the next increment cycle. PR2 is a readable and writable register. Setting the TMR2 on pin equal to 1, timer is on. Setting the TMR2 on equal to 0, then timer is off. Timer 2 is off. Let us discuss the concept of interrupts. When the execution of the ith instruction will be executed, the control will go to the interrupt handler, that is ISR, interrupt service routine. Once the handler is executed, then control will go back and it will resume the previous task. Buzzer and fan. Buzzer. To turn on buzzer, setting the RC1 pin equal to 1. To turn off buzzer, RC1 equal to 0. Data direction register is TRISC1. Setting the TRISC1 equal to 0, it acts as output, and TRISC1 equal to 1, it acts as input. In fan, to turn on fan, RC2 equal to 1. To turn off fan, setting RC2 equal to 0. Data direction register is TRISC2 equal to 0, fan act as output, and TRISC2 equal to 1 act as input. Washing machine simulator. This is the washing machine simulator Pixim Lab. Main steps are power on, washing programs, water level, pressing switches, start or stop. Project analysis. In step 1, press key 5 to power on washing machine. To turn on the washing machine, user have to press key 5, that is RB4. In step 2, it shows a powering on washing machine with a delay of 3 seconds. In step 3, washing program shows the different types of clothes which user want to wash like daily, heavy, delicates, whites, stain wash, eco cotton, woolens, bed sheets, rinse and dry, dry only, wash only, aqua store. To select one of these option, user have to long press the key 4, that is RB3. In step 4, this screen indicates different levels of water flow in the machine like auto, low, medium, high and max. To select one of these, user have to long press the key 4, that is RB3. In step 5, this step shows to press the key 5 to start the working of washing machine. To press the key 6 to stop the stops and go back to the washing programs. In step 6, this screen shows the user choice of cloth type and time in MMSS format, minutes and seconds. In step 7, this screen shows the process like wash, rinse and spin. To pause the working process, to pressing the key 6 and resume the working process, to press the key 5. In step 8, at the time of washing, if user opens the door by pressing key 1, this above screen will pop. Door open, please close. In step 9, after all the process done, the screen displays the program completed. Remove close. Thank you. Let me see the actual demo of this project. This is our program part. To build successful, loading completed. Then go to the Pixim Lab simulator. Load the X file. Washing machine simulator X file. This is our CLCD and this is fan, buzzer, digital keypad, 6 digital keypads and microcontroller. The CLCD displays the press key 5 to power on washing machine. To power on washing machine, to press the key 5, it displays the powering on washing machine with the 3-second delay and it shows the washing programs. We can navigate between these options by pressing the key 4, daily, heavy, delicates, and choose this option to long press the key 4. It displays the water level, auto, low, medium, high, maximum. To choose the high, to press long pressing the key 4. It displays the press switch 5 to start the working process and to switch 6 it stops and go back to the washing programs. Let me start the working process pressing the switch 5. It shows the function time and pressing the key 6 to pause the washing program and to resume the working process to pressing the key 5. When the user open the door of the washing machine by pressing the key 1, it displays the door open, please close. When we release, it resumes the working process. When it done the working process, it shows the program completed, remove clothes, and come back to the washing programs display. Thank you.